Nkole Media TV, thank you so much for loving us, sharing, ate otusubscribing hali aka button kitu otworeke rukundo. Program yitu amagara na kwakira mazina ndi Joanna na Tayayira abamisheri zoba. Deka Dr. tuganire nawe atushomesa amisho. Dr. na kwakira. We bari kuija Nkole Media TV.
Kale nyabo.
Amazina gawe Dr.
Amazina ne banyita Mwambazi Vincent. Ninye chairman wa opticians zo mu Uganda. National chairman. So ninye ninkorera Eyewear Point omulimbalala.
Okay, ejini Eyewear Point. Eyewear Point ni mukora ki? Ni mujanja bamisho? What else do you give as a service?
Eyewear Point, we are opticians. Basically netudealinga na problems ezikwatine n'amisho agakwenda ebirawuli netukechebera omuntu.
Social media hariho chewing gum ne mbuno jigaya no jifutana lero otebekana je jaws zawe zitebekana nibajeta fitness chewing gum no jimanya toka jihurire netambura TikTok abana batandikire kujigura mbuba kwenda matama gabo gatebekane konko burabo buriho nibagira nti after 10 years instead of your cheeks becoming firm nizirekuka obo mukikuru. What is your take on that?
First of all, as Chenato, I've not followed up to see whether it is there. It is called the what?
Fitness chewing gum.
Fitness chewing gum. Yes. Because you are chewing constantly to get fitness, that's the intention, so that you align your jaws. Nicho kigenderero. Hati problem eriwo nti naturally ruhanga akatukora okuchewinga ebintu byetukulya. Some things nkebyo tebiri natural, that's what I can say, because like cows and goats nozireba zone zichewinga constantly, zichewinga card, after some time zigaruza byezarire zigaruka muzichewinga constantly. You get it? So you find that a human being and an animal are different, whereby I think a human being should chew when it is really what? Necessary. So with the modernity, so many things are coming up. Some of them are fake, some are right, but if there is no authentic research about that chewing a lot can align your jaws, and there is no research about it, I can't take it. With today's world, we go by research. You get it? Something must be researched and proved, unless it is proved. But otherwise, I would not advise someone to keep chewing unnecessarily. But what I heard, that chewing can reduce stress. Like when you see football players, coaches, I used to see Ferguson always chewing while coaching Man U. You get it? And the reason was that Ferguson was reducing the stress he gets while the players are on the field. So maybe that is something that was researched about, and people have been doing it, chewing, but not constantly chewing as if you are an animal. That's what I can say.
Okay. Okay, Doctor, and twendo tushobore entanise eriho between diseases ezamisho hamwe na defects.
First of all, nyenda tukitegere tukimanye nti hariho difference between a disease and a eye defect. Eye disease and a eye defect. Eye disease, they are like any other diseases that you can get through infections, either bacterial infection or viral infection. And some diseases may come due to age, like cataracts and so on. Then defects, usually a person is born with them. Most defects, which as opticians, which we correct, ze tukukorectinga nko omuntu abatakubasa kureba hare tumuyamba okorectinga vision ye abe narebaje ninga atakushoma ebyahihi ninga ine eye strain okurugira mirimo yakukora. So that is the difference. There are in terms of a disease na defect. Defect yo ne obozirwe nayo usually nobo ozirwe ku rugambuto oli short sighted ninga oli long sighted.
And eyewear point ni mukikora o defects ni muzicorrect.
Exactly, eyewear point as opticians, that is your specialty yitu okudiringa na defects ezo omuntu zazirwe nazo ezikumuletera obuzibu mu kuweza je. For example, omuntu yata kureba hare ninga ya straininga mission aterwa mutwe ninga yaza nka computer na aterwa mutwe ninga yaza nko mushana ninga yanasoma ebitabo nkebyo. Those are eye defects which a person grows up with, but he may not know until he gets a qualified person okumucheckinga amanye nti ogwo muntu aine defect. That's why nekintu kikuru munonga okutestinga amisho g'abantu na munonga from early age. Omuzire ninga omusomesa wareba omwana wo mu class na endo kusutama near the blackboard ninga when you are at home and your child noreba nakunda kurebera TV munonga no baso kuteka tekogo mwana aine kizibu. You get it? So there are some symptoms zizokubasa kureba omwana akiri muto omanye nti ogwo mwana nabaso kuba aine kizibu, then omutwala eri qualified specialist amuchebera akugambira nti ogwo mwana aine defect, then eba corrected.
Okay, doctor, omuntu nabasata to differentiate between eye workers like ntogu na janjaba misho oguno webirawuri oguno no kushemeza. How can someone differentiate that?
That is very 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 important, because abantu bingi ne bakola mistake bingi munonga ne bakola mistake abuta differentiatinga abasawo. Wazanka omwirwariro mu main hospital buli muntu wena ali kuzwara gauni ne baso kumweta bamweta doctor azwire gauni. No baso kusanga doctor wo mukazi bamweta nurse, yet is a qualified what doctor wo kuba no mukazi bamweta nurse. So abasawo bamishi ogwo no mushawo ali kwikirizibwa no kushemeza amisho g'omuntu wanchenga na treating endwara za misho no korachi no kushemeza nonchenga abo munonga ne baba aliyo mu marwarira mahango nga referral hospitals niyo kuchira kuba bakorera ninga abine agabo aga private. Hati ondijo gwe kubasa kugambawo no mushawo ali alevejo kuba kweta optometrist. Ogunawe ni doctor wa misho asoma treatinga misho, then nokuwa abantu garubindi abakwetenga ki garubindi abahereza apime birawuri amanya nti ogo amisho aine defect ampima advisinga type za glasses zashemere kukozesa nkebyo. Optometrist naba asomere optometry science naba asomere munonga ebikwatine na science owa vision wanchenga. Then nawe na treatinga amisho no prescribinga garubindi. Then ondijo ni bamweta optician. Optician nawe aba asomere amisho ari kukoma a level ya garubindi, ari kukoma a level ya garubindi. Nawe nabaso kushoma atunge PhD nebindi byona naye ali a specializing munonga a arubindi. Nawe nabashomere kibakweta optical bacheta rurimi orukurauka aliwe na adiringa munonga optical vision ya misho agakozesa garubindi wanchenga. Then harogo bakweta low vision specialist, ogwogwo na adiringa na misho agata kuweza ninga agata kubasa correcting bwane birawuri bya misho takuweza kandi na garubindi nabwete kubasa korachi kubasa kumuyamba kandi naweza
gwe nakorata
abamwene baba bali level ya empunji
empungi neki
kuweza n'abatakuweza ari level egyo kati naliwo specialist ashemere kuba nakora nsonga egyo abaso kuba nakora mwana muto ninga omuntu ki
kuru
onchenga wazanka St Helen za Nyamitanga aliwo abaana batakuweza low vision specialist wena abaso kumuyamba okumukorera ebikubasa kumuyamba okutambula ninga nko kumuherezo obwo butibwe bakweta white cane
ni baba inawale leta mbutu kweta the blind
mbwe mukweta the blind but there are those who are not blind but partially blind but they need a low vision nkako low vision the vision is low but anaenda specialist omukugu ari echo hati nubaso kusanga obuzibu obukwija abantu bakora usange Oriya natekateka nti ogolo vision naza kukora byagarubindi ninga Oriya naza kukora ali ekintu so with the development ensi yo negenda nekura abantu baza kugenda ne bachenga nti optician nakora eki optometrist nakora eki ophthalmologist nakora eki ogunawe nakora eki the specialization because as the country grows specialization also what
grows na sensitization nayo neyetenga because abantu nibazo mu clinic so witu agira nti omushawo misho ganshash omushawo muhayo kari akadexa akenkumisha tamugira genda ukore cyo tekemu no kubaje kumbe omushawo ogwo yashango mu clinic takumanya agwaine kizibu kinamisho we namuhaka dexa kenkumisha takakakamiza
but usually abasawo abamwemba at the level of nursing nabo baba bashomere emergency care ati kokuzo mu ka drug shop no baso kumuyambisa nka yali nka infection bacterial infection ogwo musawo nabaso kukora ki wetali specialist mbyamisho naye namanya nti ogwo mwana aine ki infection amwe akabazi akakubasa kumuyamba but when the problem is really there and serious ogwo musawo asemere ku referringa omuntu amreferringe eri specialist akore ki amuyambe
okay webale doctor ekindi major eye defects abantu ziba kukira kufuna niziha na treatment omuntu akabandize na neha
so eye defects nezita eziri major ziri nkishatu ninga ina eyo kubanza ni short sighted omuntu nabata kureba hare narebe bya hihi byonka
bo mushija nkakuriya ari mwa kumukire
na ne namba ze motoka takureba number plates ari nebintu byo kureba yo abandi ne babireba weta kukora ki takubireba
bamwe nibagira ni baba batira mahembe
arimo abakuteka teka babatira mahembe then that is short sighted obukuremwa kureba ebyahare then hariho long sighted omuntu naba narebe ebyahare ne takureba ebyahihi namunonga abana bataba amasomero ne bakiro kuba affected yakwatanke kitabo atanko kugira emiziga agira emiziga omutwe gumutera omwana ya complaininga ekintu nk'ekyo nti kwenkwata ekitabo amisho ni gansasha ni garira most cases ogwo mwana naba ali long sighted atogo nawe that is a defect na yabazire nayo then ensonge defect endijo netujeta astigmatism tingumanye bimwe bwenkunda bito mu runyankore naye the word is astigmatism hati omuntu most complaint abantu abakuba naba combining ebintu nka bibiri ali short sighted at the same time ali astigmatic akwatwa defects ezi ibiri omurundi gumwe ogwo nakiro complaining headache nebakiro kuba neba complaining headache ninga yaza nko mu class nareba bamuhandikire nyukuta blackboard nareba zichikamire because light neba take focusing aje a retina ekindi lens yeriso nayo nebe chikamire nazarwa aine defect nti light tekugenda straight nebeje gende chikamire by the time kwe kushika retina light neba narebe kintu ekindi instead of seeing T
Mubi.
You nareba why ninga be so are getting confused. So usually nikireeta obuzibu nti omuntu naba aine naterwa nk'omutwe because the eye is sending different information to the brain and the brain knows something else. The brain knows the word boy is B-O-Y. But then the eye, because of astigmatism, it is sending B-O-T. It's sending a T that is, it is not making the Y straight. So omuntu ogwo nabaasa okuteerwa nk'omutwe. Complaint ye most cases zikutandikirawo nagira omutwe negunteera omwana, then ogw'omwana oshemere kumutwala omwirwariro bamukebere bareebe why is he having that headache. Bamucheckinga amisho basanga ali astigmatic, correction n'eyokumuhereza ebirahuri ebikubaasa kukicorrectinga. Egyo n'ensonga defect eyakashatu. Endijo neiza abw'emyaka. Omuntu yayise emyaka nka 35 okuhika 40.
Omuntu nabaasa ata akukuuma ezi glasses zitu zikulebeka gye ande kindi zitagireho oburofa ate kindi omuntu nabaasa ata kuzibiika ningashi n'okuzijwara. Hariho kuzibiika omuntu akazita hariya ha table zikazaho mu cyucyu, hariho na n'enjwara noshanga omuntu azitiire ayiguru aha kyenyoba nakyenye nti mutwe mbu ni WhatsApp ni design glasses zanyeze za ezirwaro nazo nitubasa kuzikora mu design tukazita higuru ninga kuzita hasati.
Webare nnyo nyabo. Ekyokubanza glasses ziri mu type C. Hariho zetukweta optical glasses. Zine entaniso mpango na garubindi ezo zemukureba omu maduuka abantu zebakuzwara ezokuponga ezo za WhatsApp. Ni ensonga bwe kinoreba ezeze za optical neziseera nezigura sente nyingi nosanga eriya negura nke-15 kandi osanga egyo anku ekyo kwereberako nk'egi frame egi negura emitwaro 15 kandi eriya negura 15. Zine entaniso abokuba nibazikora inewe nti zishemere kuba niziholdinga lenses okuzikwata lens okugumamu. Then ziba zigumire munonga whereby omuntu nabaso kugikozesa emyaka nke 3-4 muri yagikwata gye nekora obwire bulingwa. So zine entaniso. Ekindi okulinda ebirahuri omuntu ashemere kuba nabikwata gye first of all ati nkako kureba ebirahuri byange ebi wano tokwenda birauke kusisikara oshemere kozesa emikono ebiri wano obizuura ninga wano uza kukora ki kubizwara otabisika bati harimu abakukora bati ati awo noba nobistretchinga in the end birauka kukora ki kusisikara okuba nebigura sente nyingi ati ebirahuri nkebi nosanga biri nko mitwaro 5 hati tokabisiisa just like that. Oshemere kozesa emikono ebiri okubiyawo n'okubizwara oleka okustretchinga frame egyo kusisikara then obikoma obikoba obikora gye obita omukakesi akakesi kabyo obitamu bati think manyo ba kamera ne baza kukireba naye nobitamu bati oleka okubiscratchinga abokuba wabitamu like this ne biza kusisikara in the end they will get scratches tokwiza kubikozesa obwire bulingwa. So oshemere kubitamu like this. So niye nkozesa yebiki yebirahuri okubirinda. Then ekindi okubisiimura ebirahuri oshemere kubisiimura tokushemere kwata omulenzi abokuba at times fingers eziba ziri date wakwata muno olugalo direct vision ineza kufa. Oshemere kozesa kukora ki kukwata nka hagati aha then osiimura ekirahuri n'engaro ezi mpora mpora then you see fingers tezikukwata omu kirahuri then they remain clean. Then obona kora ki kuzizwara. Then ekindi onobasogura liquid engage eri cleaninga. This is a lens cleaner ne cleaninga ebirawuli otonyawa drop then lens eguma eri clean saa yona. Ekindi wotoyine kakesi nkaka wanoyenda kubibika oli omuka toshemere kubitaawo like this
kabada
oshemere kubitaawo but like this the lens should face up. Lens ereba ruguru otagitaawo but because it will get scratched then this is color. So the other part of it for young children, those who want to keep their glasses for safety, abana omwana omuteramu omugulira nkaka gwe nkaka akatomuki mu frame so that even if he runs and they fall they will be hanging here. You get it? So they are so when you visit a qualified optician, that is part of his work is to teach you bora akozese ki ebirawuli byawe nakusomesa okubihandolinga.
Musawo ekindi muntu nabasa kuhindura lyali ebirawuli ebi ningashi omuntu ayine kuza omuba eye opticians nkimwe abawe eyewear point ayine kuza emirundi engahi.
Okay, ekyo ekibuuzo kirungi munonga. Hati emirundi mingi na munonga omuntu yana akura like omwana wamusanga ali short sighted at 4 years. So nekimanyisa omwana ogwo aliyo nakura, so lens nazo nizaguma nezikola ki nezihinduka. So like every year omuntu ashemere kukola ki kuza kumucheckinga ki amisho bamuchecking every year barebe oba lens zakola ki zahinduka. Ondijo no wawulira oli uncomfortable garibindi wagizwara otwire no gizwara nekorera je then after some time owulira yakumara obusinge ninga nekuteeza omutwe then oshemere kuzizo mo qualified people bakola ki bakucheckinga bareba if there is a change mu misho gawe then ohindure. But I would advise namnonga abana b'amashomero before you go to school always check your eyes. Okucheckinga chetukweta visual acuity nokureba oburemezi burinkai. Most parents don't tebakukikora mebagiza any place medical facility bamustampingiramu kyomwana alioke omwana azayishomero. So the school authorities should ensure that they take the students to recognized places which have qualified people to do those tests for the eyes so that a child goes to school when he is perfect. Usually eye defects omuntu nabasa okuba gine atakukimanya. Parents takukimanya, omuzire takukimanya, omusomesa takukimanya, n'omwana wenyini takukola ki takukimanya. So the right thing nokuza kola ki kumuchebera whenever the year is starting bareba obuzibu obwo.
Okay. Doctor, hariho technology eizire. So nitwendo tushoboreho technology ya glasses hamwe na technology yitwe ya butoshe eizire nibikwatagana bita nibikora bita ate nibituyamba bita.
Hati omunsinka ko kureba development worldwide buli kintu kyona kigenda nekikola ki nekihinduka slowly by slowly. Emyaka egi yakare omuntu akata yabari nka short sighted ubwo muntu akanaza kuzwara ebirawuli paka bwarafe naye ha technology eriwo nti omuntu ne babasa okumushemeza areko kokora ki okuzwara ebirawuli. Those cost eri expensive kandi omu Uganda erinka Kampala ne bakora kibakweta LASIK surgery ne tware dakika nche ebirawuli obinaga kuriya ogenda no wezaji. That is technology. Then at the same time because of technology hatne mukozesa munonga amasimu muri ya WhatsApp muri ya TikTok hati no tunga problem because you are the light which is entering your eye that blue light from the phones, those blue rays, they affect your retina slowly by slowly when you don't know. You get it? So at times technology nayo eresera obuzibu, but as technology brings problems hariyo solutions. For example, now technology eriwo omuntu yanokozesa munonga essimu aninga laptop computer, you can buy special glasses ze tukweta blue blocker or blue cut glasses. Ezezo is cutting off excess light ya blue eri kuza kudamaginga retina yawe bwana okozesa munonga esimu bikinke ebyo. So omuntu nekibaso kukola ki waza mu qualified people, opticians, optometrists ninga ophthalmologist ne baso kuwa glasses ezo zikuyamba okukatinga opo kyebakweta computer syndrome effect.
Okay.
In that case, technology nokuweza it is advancing and a lot of research eriyo nekorachi nekorwa, so no basokusanga in future ebintu byahinduka. For example, waliwo night vision glasses omuntu wato kureba je mwirima nibakuwa glasses ezikureba je omumwirima. Waliwo driving glasses wato amatara gemotoka baga kutera oremo kuweza je nibasogura garubindi ezikubasa kuyamba okuvuga emotoka ombwiro w'ekiro bakutera nkamatara. So that is technology with the glasses and vision.
Okay, Dr. Ekindi, future ya glasses, where do you see the glass industry neza hi okurugira when you evaluate kurugenyuma na hati huyai?
Ati future ya glasses as a business it is still young in Uganda. Teka booming munonga, and even the technology that is coming up that may throw away use of glasses, it is very slow and it is expensive. So I think abakuba ati nyowe maziro mu business age emyaka eri kurenga 25. I have seen the trend na mnongo murimba romu ntwire nendeba abantu previously omuntu akanaija ali short sighted ayango kuzwara ebirauri agire ebirauri nebiza kunsisa misho kanta kuweza, but these days omuntu aija akugambira na lens ye yakwenda akugira oyine lens ejibweti nebweti na amanya na prescription ya glasses za kuzwara.
People are sensitized.
People are sensitized. So as people get more sensitized, I think this industry it is still there. So we need to sensitize and tell people the need for such services.
Okay. Hati chindi nyenda throwingirewo ka light kache ha old age na glasses hamwe na glasses na nabana.
First of all, na kigamba wenyuma ekyabana. You get it? Na kigambawo, but my basa kugira nti omwana omuzire wena kutwara omwana wawe bukiri kare bamucheckinga misho. Omwana omutware bukiri kare bamucheckinga misho every year. Omwana oshemere kumutwara na munonga hati abana bakusoma nibasoma munonga basoma bya computer basoma ebintu bingi munonga, so omwana ogo oshemere kumutwara as early as possible. Then old age omuntu waise emyaka 40 myaka 40 oshemere kuba no genda for regular check up.
Kumyana nimba nakura
40 omuntu oba wakura oshemere kuza kucheckinga not only eyes o checking pressure yawe da sukari zawe nebindi byo omutima omuntu waisa myaka 40 twaza akiriya ekya old age with glasses nza kugira nti abantu bingi kwakura naremo koraki okusoma ebintu ebya hihi naba naremo kusoma obunyukuto obuchenko obwo. Then amisha gamwe getting dry because of age. Mission gali dry, so in the end otunga mubuzibu. So to avoid that no basokutunga okugenda eri omusawo akukolechi akuyambe because your eyes are getting dry as you age, so you need to be helped.
Okay. Aha mushawo takahendire hariho endwara ya misho twakuhendera n'endwara ya misho eje ya red eyes ebire neteganisa munonga abantu omuntu nabasa kwerinda ki nabasa kwerinda ata endwara eje ya red eyes.
Hati red eyes, the good thing hati ya chendera I'm told it hati yachendera
wave agency
wave ejo bano ni wave yachendera. That is good, but usually ezo zibire infections. This infection, some people it's viral, others we are getting it bacterial infections like that. But why enda kulinda misho gawe osemera kuba oli clean okwewala oburofa mnonga okunaaba mu ngalo. During COVID abantu bakabejera okunaaba mu ngalo, but these days abantu bagumene bana begomuze ogukora ki okunaaba mu ngalo, because once you clean your eyes, your hands, you won't just touch in your what, and if you touch in your eyes to spread the bacterial infection, you already have clean hands. So hygiene nekintu kikuru, okunaaba misho mukasheshe. Omuntu asemera kuba naaba misho with good water, clean water every morning. Even during the day, when you feel you can wash your face regularly. That is another way of avoiding those infections which were causing problems in the whole country, by the way. So, and they were easily spreading everywhere in schools and so on. But some schools which had good hygiene, they didn't have even in the community. When you kept yourself clean, you would be okay.
Mushawo iwe nkowa eyewear center, eyewear point, ninyenda ogambireho bugambo bushatu buna butano ba customer bawe obakure obagambire bije bagure glasses ningashi bakebeza misho.
Okay, first of all nyenda kwebaza ba customer ba clients, tetinkwenda kubeta ba customer ba clients ba eyewear point aba supporting the eyewear point ekatandika 1999. So norebe obwiro bubona but servingire abantu bingi ba bishop, ba archbishop, ba ministers, ba bantu bingi munonga bamweti nkubamanya bamwene bamanya nka Vincent ne mazireje emyaka yona eyewear point nengumiza mu kuba servinga nensima Ruhanga abokumpa magara no kumpa obwenje obokubasa kuba nembasa okora kye kuba servinga. Eyewear point hati to expanding re twine space mpango tugumene to we have been expanding to jeneno to tukora kine twangusa. When you visit eyewear point now, we have the latest, everything is latest in equipment, diagnostic machines, maybe kuchebera abantu twine all the latest kandi netukozesa ebyomurembe ebiri computerized. Byona tubino mu eyewear point. Watwara ba kamera yawe wetolora eyewear point noza kuba noreba the technology we use, and we always emphasize quality. Those who have been our customers okumareje emyaka yona abatu trustingire ne bakimanya abikwatine na quality. Usually service ya healthy na cost, people should always be careful. Health is expensive, so wareba omuntu na compromisinga ebintu ebi yakugambira nenza kuwaga rubindi za raisi nza kuwerezeze za raisi. Be careful, no baso kuba no selling your life, and you are selling your what, your eyes when you don't know. You get it? So ne advising abantu to always look for qualified professionals abakubasa kukora ekintu ekiriyo, so that they don't get problems. Ninsima mnonga ba customer banje ba eyewear point mwena abakumanya abakunde abande bera TVG kandi nsaba mu supporting Ankole Media online TV mugumene mu supportinga. Maybe in future it will not even be online, it will be direct TV just for development. So nwebale mnonga mugumene mu supportinga twine byone byomurembe byemukwenda.
Okay. Webale mnonga Dr. Ankole Media TV program yitu na magara amazina ndi Joanna ijuka kutusubscribinga ntukwijusa ntamagara nigakira magana. Always take care of yourself, go for checkups. Twabatuli naba eyewear point nibagira nti iwe arikwetenga glass nungi eya quality etakuza kuteganisa misho gawe baychire bariyaha high street.